Hola hermanos y hermanas. My name is not Jose Jimenez. I just got back from the future and I found this cell phone. It's my first one that besides a track phone that I never used. So I want to try to make a videograph on U.S. history. The topic is Edgar Killen. I have a little box of all the videos I want to make, and this was in the front, and I forgot who this guy was, so I looked him up, and here's what I found. Now, I didn't get the date for you. I think it was in the 60s. 3 high-profile attackers from the left, at least 2 of them were antichrists, exploited the open border policy of the state of Mississippi in order to intrude and subvert the traditional order of the inhabitants of that state, an order that had already been disrupted first by importation of slaves and next by giving to them free status. Recognizing the threat against the authority in their own homeland and to Jesus, number one, of the authority of Jesus, number one of 2, and of the denizens of Mississippi. Oh, I'm sorry, I got this all confused. Recognizing the threat against the authority in their own homeland of the denizens of Mississippi and against the authority of Jesus, number one of 2, a minister named Edgar Killen organized a small band of defenders who dispatched the 3 ill-meaning intruders and hid their bodies. State authorities, recognizing the need to forfend such acts of war as the 3 intruders meant to do, kept the defenders safe from harassment by infiltrators into government. As I told to you elsewhere, Bobby Kennedy, as Attorney General, finally overcame J. Edgar Hoover's reticence to go after the Ku Klux Klan, so that ultimately all units of the Ku Klux Klan were infiltrated and taken overward by FBI. This is documented in Hoover's biography. Thus, the feds discovered the details of the killing and hiding of the 3 bad guys, while a mulatto underling, a foreign agent, servant of a hostile foreign government called the Grand Lodge of England, which is a few levels below the Jesuit order in the chain of command, this foreign agent named Thurgood Marshall arranged for Mr. Killen to ultimately be imprisoned for his defense of Christianity and Mississippi. According to the Holy Writ, such mistreatment as was done to the defender, Mr. Killen, was doable only in the case of his being sundered from being warded by Uralda, the oldest one, by Mr. Killen's somehow failing to rely on him, on Uralda, or to obey Uralda, perhaps by, quote, relying on his own understanding, end quote, which is forbidden by Uralda's sayings in the Holy Writ. Learn more about me at, how am I going to do this? I don't have a tripod. At this URL. Oh, fudge. Oh, hang on. Oh, man. This is the fastest way to generate almost cost-free electricity. Find out more about me at this URL. Is this backwards? Okay. So, talk to you next time, boys and girls. Bye-bye.